Hello and welcome. I'm back at Costco. Check out the latest deals they have going for the month of August. I'm getting started here in the electronics section. So they have a deal on the Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker. It is rated with the IP67 waterproof and rugged. It's up to 12 hours per charge for playback time. And it has the Bose deep sound and powerful bass. They have it on a special right now with the manufacturer's instant rebate of $20. So it's only $98.99, saving $20 off of the $118.99. That is good until August 11th. And they do have this Soundcore Boom version 2 outdoor Bluetooth speaker with a built-in power bank. So it's versatile where you could charge up to your devices while on the go or at the beach, camping, wherever you're at with this thing. They have it with the manufacturer's instant rebate of only $69.99, saving $30 off of the $100. That is good until August 24th. And this is rated with the IPX7 waterproof and floatable. So you can take it in the water with you and let it float around and play back your music. And you can save a whopping $70 on this Sony noise canceling headphones. It is premium wireless ones. They have it priced at only $279.99. saving $70 off of the $350. That's good until August 24th. They do say it runs up to 30 hours of battery life with a quick charge. 3 minutes of charge, you can have 3 hours of play. So pretty good deal, saving $70. And they have this Bose Solo Soundbar number 2. It'd be good for pairing it with your TV. And they have a good rebate, saving $30 off of the $180, so it's only $149.99. That is good until August 24th as well. And they have this Samsung 5.1 channel soundbar with the wireless subwoofer, so that makes it convenient to pair it, and you don't have to run wires for the subwoofer. So they have it with the manufacturer's rebate of $70, so you're only going to pay $229.99, and that's good until only the 10th. So very limited time left of that deal. And here's a new offering in the stores I haven't seen before. It's the Soundcore by Anker. It's a 2-pack of the Select 4 Go Bluetooth speakers. It is only priced at $40 for the 2 speakers. So that's a pretty good deal at only $20 each. And it is IP67 waterproof rating, and it's also floatable. And if you want to talk about inflation, they actually inflated the price of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It used to be $529 last year, and they raised it $200 to $729. This is actually the camera that I use to do these videos. So I'm glad I got this camera when I did, because I certainly would not have paid that price for this. And if you're in need of a new computer monitor, they have this one by LG. It is the ultra wide monitor. It's a 34-inch, rated up to 100 hertz. And the thing that's cool about this one is that it actually has apps installed on it, so you could actually use it as a streaming device like a TV. So that's pretty cool. You can compare it with that. And then they do have a rebate of $50, so it's only $299.99, and that is good until August 17th there. This is what it looks like here. And it is a curved monitor, and it does come with a remote control as well. So I think it's a pretty good deal at only $300 there. It is an ultra wide QHD with a 21.9 aspect ratio, ultra wide. The resolution is 3440 by 1440. And they're running a pretty good deal on this EcoFlow River 3 Plus. It is a wireless boost combo kit. It has rating up to a 1200 watt surge and then 286 watt hour battery generator. It also has a built-in magnetic power bank. So up here on the top, it actually comes with 2 of the rapid magnetic power banks that are 5,000 milliamps each. So you could charge other devices using the magnetic portion, or even the USB port that's in those devices. So you can constantly keep those on the charge as well as using them. It does come with 1 AC plug, as well as 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C. And the USB-C is rated at 100 watts, as well as a DC plug there. So it's very versatile in that sense, and also has a light as well. Yeah, that price is only $199.99. That is saving $80 off of the $280. So that's a pretty good deal. And it's good until the end of August, so August 29th. And it is rated for a 600 watt output, even though it does have the 1200 watt surge. So they're running a pretty good deal on this Jitsu Life neck fan. It is a 2-pack of them. So to help you beat the heat of the summer, they do last up to 18 hours on a full charge. It has a sweat-proof design and also a 5-speed wind adjustment. So it's versatile in that sense. And then being a 2-pack of them, you have one and one for your significant other. They have it priced at only $19.97. It does have a clearance star on it. But to get a 2-pack of them, basically $10 each, I think that's a pretty good deal. And they do have this Shark Flex Breeze high velocity cordless and corded fan. So you can it makes it be portable. You could even take it outside during a picnic to help create a breeze. And they even have a storage cover and a car charger with it as well. It looks like you'd also take it off the stand and then make it be like a tabletop fan as well. They do have a deal on it right now. It's only $99.99. That is saving $40 off of the $140 price. And you do have until August 18th for that deal. And they have this Shark Turbo Blade XL high-speed multi-directional cooling system. So you can change the direction of the blade itself, whether it goes horizontal or vertical, and then also adjust the angle of the fan itself. They do have it priced right now at only $189.99. That's saving $50 off of the $239 with a manufacturer's instant rebate. That is good until August 18th. So save $50 there. But if the fan is not enough, they do have this Midea 12,000 BTU U-shaped air conditioner. So it goes right in between like the window, so you can close the window up more. So as I mentioned, it is 12,000 BTU. It's rated for up to 550 square feet. And they have the deal price at only $289.99. That's saving $80 off of the $270 price. That's good until only August 10th, though. And they have this Shark Power Detect cordless stick vacuum with an auto empty base. And here's what it looks like with the base here. It has a dirt reveal technology. And what that means is it basically shines a light on the floor that illuminates the hidden dust and dirt on the floor. So I guess if you really want to see your dirtiness, you can with this. They have a good price on it right now at $349.99. That is saving $90 off of the $439. That is good until August 31st. And they have a good deal on this Gourmet 4-layer dual basket air fryer. It has 11 quart capacity. They have that price at only $79.99. That is saving $20 off of the 100. That is good until August 17th. As I mentioned, it is 11 quart capacity and it has 4 layers to it. You could do many different things between air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, keep warm, and proof. Very convenient there to do many different things in this unit. And if you're always on the go and want to get a smoothie or a shake going, they have this Ninja Blast portable blender system. They have it priced right now, saving $20 for only $60 there. It is good until August 31st. And it does come with 2 units. It'll blast through frozen fruit and ice. So very cool. A very good deal actually for only $60. So $30 each. Can't beat that. And if you need something a little more robust than the Ninja portable one, they have this one here by NutriBullet. It's not so portable though. But they do have this one here on special for only $69.99. That is saving $30 off of the $100. So that is good only until the 10th though. So very limited time. And here's another new item they just offered in the store now. I haven't seen before. So they have the Harvest Right Small Home Pro Freeze Dryer. It is an at-home freeze dryer. So you can freeze dry different foods and perishables, even pet food, many different things you could do with this thing. So they have this priced at only $1,599. I'm not sure if that's a good deal or not, but they do say they can keep perishables up to 25 years, which would be a good thing to do for stocking up on food. To me, it looks like a little portable washing machine. It's like a very small unit with the different trays there. But I imagine it's worth it if you have a lot of food to do freeze drying with. And they do have this Arctic, what they call the Fandelier. It is the Austin LED ceiling fan. It is rated for up to 1,777 CFM and 50,000 hours of LED life and at 2,000 lumens. And it does include a remote control where you control the fan speed as well as the light and timer on it as well. Well, they're running a deal right now where it is $109.99. That's saving $30 off of the $140. That is good until August 24th. This is what the display looks like here from underneath. So it's a pretty cool little modern looking fan. And it's not a bad price for only $110. And they're running a manager special at this store, which happens to be the last DeWalt 8-gallon shop vac. It's the wet and dry vac. They have the manager special price of only $60 here on the display model. It was $95. So maybe check your store. Maybe eventually they'll do something like this, but they were clearancing them out for the season. This is something they bring back, it seems like every year. So we'll see if it comes back next year as well. And they're running a deal on the Scott Shop, the original multi-purpose shop towel. It's a 10-pack of them. Price only $13.79, saving $4. That's good until August 24th. And they're running a good deal on the Armor All 1 gallon of the snow foam car wash. It's on clearance right now. They had that price of only $4.97. I believe it was like around $10 or even $11. So a pretty good deal at only $5 for a gallon. And it's your option whether you use it for hand washing or using a foam cannon with your power washer. So either way is a good option to wash your car with, especially only $5. And if you pick up that car wash, you can get this dip and wash set here. It's a brush as well as like a tire brush and a cleaning mitt. So a 3-piece set there. Yeah, this also on clearance for only $10. That's an excellent deal there. I actually picked this up when it went on sale, I think for $20, like maybe 4 or 5 months ago. And it works pretty good. But it's a better deal now at $10. And it's also on the clearance star, so it's something they're probably clearancing out for the season here. So check it out. I think it's a good deal for only $10. And then $15, you get the car wash and the brush set. Not a bad deal at all. They do have another manager special. It looks like on the display model of the Cat 2500 amp lithium jump starter and inflator kit here. It also has USB and USB-C ports there, so you can charge other devices with it. The manager special price here at this store is $69 and it was $99. Now this is something I've been waiting for them to lower the price on. It's the Chemical Guys Complete Clean Car Wash, where it has different cleaning chemicals and a brush and mitt, as well as a bucket here. It's currently priced at $49.99. So they do have the clearance star on it. So I'm not sure if they're going to lower it or not, but they only have 5 left in this store. So I imagine they might not, since they only have so little left. And they brought back the good deal on the Green-Made 27-gallon storage totes. A good price, saving $1. It's only $7.99. That's good until August 17th on the instant savings. These are well worth the price of only $8. These ones I use are great. They're durable and they're sturdy. I definitely recommend them if you don't have any already. So $8, you really can't beat that price. They do have a deal on this Hodo Wand cordless spin scrubber, where you can do different cleaning tasks such as scrubbing tile, cooktops, golf clubs, cleaning pans, faucets. So it's all versatile, has different kinds of brushes and pads you can scrub with. It also is rated at IPX7, full body waterproof. It's a rechargeable battery with a 210-minute run time, and it charges through a USB-C plug. And the brush head rotates 360 degrees, and it creates 5 times the cleaning power. So they have a good deal on this right now at only $39.99, saving $10. That's good until August 31st. And they're running a good deal on this Lasco Super Fan Max. It's a multi-purpose compact air mover. This would be great for drying out floors in case we have a flooded space or just you mop floors and want to dry them off quickly. It's pretty nice that it does have like different speeds as well as 2 AC outlets at 115-volt rating. So you can daisy chain multiple fans or devices off of that. They do have it priced at only $49.99 with the manufacturer's instant rebate. That's saving $10 off the $60 price, and that's good until August 31st. And they're running a good deal again on this Jackery solar generator. It's a 1,000+ 100-watt mini foldable solar panel that comes with that, so you can recharge it during power outages or while camping or while on the go. So it's actually a pretty nice power station here. It's power. The rating is at 4,000 watt surge and then 2,000 watt continuous. And to give you an example of different run times on different devices, you can run a microwave for 0.9 hours, a laptop computer for 7.5 hours, a coffee maker at 1.8 hours, a toaster at 1.6 hours, and then a drill 2.5 hours, or a blender for 1.2 hours. So those are the different ratings for the different devices that they say they can run. So this is actually a pretty good little unit here. Yeah, I mean, it's not necessarily little, it's pretty good size. They do have it with 3 AC outlets, and it does come with a pure sine wave, which is awesome because that's good for sensitive electronics like computers. It's important to have that pure sine wave inverter versus it not having that. Yeah, it's good to have that. And it also has 2 regular USB-A ports that are rated at 18 watt max and 2 USB-C ports that are 100 watt max. So you can do different devices, and also you can plug in 12-volt accessories as well. and it has a built-in light. So it's actually a pretty good deal right now that you're saving 150 bucks. So it's only $649.99 off of the $800 price that it normally is. That's good until the end of the month at August 31st. Excellent deal. I'm considering picking this up myself. This would be great for hurricanes when you're extended power outages, to have something like this to even just run a fridge for a couple hours at a time. And then obviously being able to use the 100-watt solar panel to recharge it back up. Then as far as its rating goes, you can supercharge it up in a matter of 1 hour through like a wall plug, or 2.5 hours through the DC input. And it's rated for up to 4,000 cycles. So you can drain this battery 4,000 times and recharge it, and it's good for that amount of time, which is awesome. So it does come with a 5-year warranty. It's a 3-year plus a 2-year with the registration. So be sure to register after you purchase it to get the additional 2-year warranty there. It's a pretty nice unit here. It does come with a handle there to be able to tote it around. Pretty decent. And the solar panel itself actually feels pretty durable and rugged. And it does come with these like little eye hooks here, so you can be able to hang it up on something to maximize the charging capability of it. And they do have this Blackstone 20-inch griddle. It's a camping griddle kit with a stand. They have a good price on this, saving 40 bucks. So it's only $189.99, saving the 40 off the $230. That is good until August 17th with that. It is actually a great deal because it, including that stand as well, is a carrying bag and 2 spatulas and a basting dome. So pretty nice there. It also even comes with a lid as well. So if you notice that other Blackstone options out there, it doesn't even include a stand or a lid. So with that price at only $189, that's a pretty good deal there. And they're running a good deal on the Weber Genesis 2 grill. It is a 3-burner grill with a side burner as well. So it's actually pretty nice, and stainless steel and then black finish there on the cabinet. Price right now at only $749.99. That's saving 150 bucks. That's with the manufacturer's instant rebate, and that's good until all the way September 30th. So you got some time on that. Pretty good deal. You hardly ever see Weber's go on sale, so it's a solid brand name grill, and they do awesome. All right, that's going to conclude my deal video here at Costco. If you enjoyed it, I would appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deal videos I do here in the future. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.